Welcome to this tutorial on connecting your Google credentials on N8N. This guide will walk you through the process of integrating your Google account with N8N, a workflow automation tool. To begin, you need to have an N8N account and a Google account. If you don't have these, create them first once you have both accounts. Log into your N8N account and navigate to the Credentials page. On the Credentials page, click on the Create Credential button and search for Google. Select the Google credential type and choose the specific Google service you want to connect, such as Google Drive or Google Sheets. Next, you will be redirected to the Google Authentication page. Here, you need to allow N8N to access your Google account. Review the permissions and click Allow. You will then be redirected back to the N8N credentials page. On this page, you need to enter a name for your credential and authorize the connection. Click on the Authorize button to complete the connection process. After the connection is established, you can use your Google credential in your N8N workflows. To do this, add a Google node to your workflow and select the credential you just created. Configure the node according to your needs and save the workflow. Best practices for connecting your Google credentials on N8N include using a separate Google account for your N8N workflows, limiting the permissions you grant to N8N, and regularly reviewing your credentials to ensure they are still valid. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely connect your Google credentials on N8N and automate your workflows. This integration enables you to leverage the capabilities of both platforms, increasing your productivity and efficiency.